Page 5, Hobble My Thumb. Here they're covering the idea of crossing the thumb under white or black keys. Because before it was second finger on a black key. Well, now the second finger might be on a white key. Look at the very beginning, a thumb, and then cross over to the B. Again, you need to be able to do this. You can do it in both hands. Doesn't matter what notes you use. Just get to where you can comfortably do this. You don't have to do it fast. You do it slow. I've been doing it for a million years, so it doesn't matter here. Just go slow and don't churn the wrists or any of that stuff. Just go. Now there are piano techniques, different ones. I don't follow them, but they'll teach when you cross over, you can hear, rather than bringing the thumb under, you tilt the hand, or you tilt the hand this way, you can go this way to reach over here. I don't teach that. I leave this right where it is and just move this. The thumb can relax and move around quite a bit if you give it a chance. Because you can do that, I think. And this is what this piece is about. We're getting it now from a white key to a white key. In the right hand at the beginning. Now this is in 3/4 time and the key is C major. It's fine. And here we have eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and the dotted half note gets 3 counts, right? Yes, it's right. Take my word for it. Second line, now it's a black key. Third line down, the left hand gets to play. It's a black key. And going on, now it's a white key. And again, the last line, white key. That's the idea. That's what this is all about. Hobble my thumb is what they're talking. Okay. Let's play this together slowly. The notes and the rhythms hopefully aren't causing you too much of a problem. You can put in the dynamics eventually. You're starting out sort of soft. And then you're going to get a little louder. The right hand can't get a little louder. Once you play a note on a piano, it dies away. You have no control over that. But the left hand can get a little louder on that last note. And then you can play the notes in the third measure a little louder, and then come off. So in the right hand it's here, and then louder, and then off, sort of. And you're doing that in the second line up here. You may have to exaggerate it to feel it, because it's important that you be able to get these dynamics, and especially on these facing hairpins, like I call them swells. You swell louder and then get softer. The second line again, it's come off. Yeah, and then at the very bottom, now you're going, the dim is short for diminuendo, and the second measure as it gets softer, so it's here. Each beat's going to get a little softer, and then in the next measure, poco ritardando is slow down a little bit. So then you're going to slow down and continue to get softer. And the very last chord then is very soft. You have to experiment with that. Now, I haven't talked a lot about the hands moving around. The idea is move it when you have to, and you may have to practice the hand moves. We do that in piano. For instance, when you get done with the second line and you're here, the right hand is still here, but then in the third line, second measure you're here, but now you've got it on the next measure, you need thumb on that, so you got to come here. You may have to practice that move. And then in the last measure, the third line, you're here. Going on to the next line, you need thumb on that. So you may have to practice that move. So yeah, there's a repeat sign at the end. Keep that in mind. Let's try this together slowly, just to check the notes and the rhythms, and we will play it twice because of that repeat sign that you're keeping in mind. I'm going to give us 3 counts. So you're starting here in the right hand. You can leave the left hand out of the way until you need it. Just make sure it's there before you need to play the second measure. The right hand is sort of out of the way, sort of. 1 and ready and go and. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Softer. 2, 3, off.